Welcome to Shorthand Hangover, Allahabad High Court AP Series C Exercise 11 at the speed of 100 words per minute. Be ready? Start. Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of appellant before us has taken us through the aforestated provisions of the Maharashtra Regional Town Planning Act 1966 and has argued that after the appropriate authority makes an application to acquire the land consequent upon the purchase notice issued under section 49, either the land ought to be acquired within a reasonable time therefrom or should be released from the designation in the development plan as per section 50 of the act stop para. The impugned judgment was wholly incorrect in stating that there was no urgent need besides section 49 applies to the purchase notice at hand, inasmuch as it is clear that the owner is unable to sell the land thanks to the reservation made. This being the case, over 10 years having lapsed since the date of 11 the purchase notice, the owner's land should be declared to be free of the designation set out in development plan stop para. On the other hand, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the government specifically argued that the schemes of sections 49 and 127 are totally different. No lapse can take place under section 49 of the act once section 49 subsection 7 stands satisfied, and that since the owner has not issued any fresh purchase notice under section 127 of the act, no lapsing can be said to have taken place stop para. The scheme of section 49 of the MRTP Act is to lay down timelines within which the appropriate authority must make an application to acquire the land in respect of which a purchase notice has been confirmed. The moment any of the conditions specified in the subsection 1 are met, the owner or person affected may serve on the state government within the time and manner prescribed by regulations a purchase notice requiring the appropriate authority to purchase the interest in the land in accordance with the provisions of this act stop para. On the receipt of the purchase notice as per subsection 3, the state government is to forthwith call from the planning authority or the appropriate authority such report or records as may be necessary, which the authority shall then forward to the state government as soon as possible, but not later than 30 days from the date of acquisition stop para. In subsection 4, if the state government is satisfied that the conditions specified in subsection 1 are fulfilled, it may either confirm the purchase notice, refuse to confirm the purchase notice, or direct that planning permission be granted with or without conditions. Under subsection 5, if the steps contemplated after service of purchase notice leads to a situation where the state government does not pass any orders thereon, the notice shall be deemed to have been confirmed at the expiration of that period stop para. And finally, under subsection 7, if within 1 year from the date of confirmation of purchase notice the appropriate authority fails to make an application to acquire the land in respect of which the purchase notice has been confirmed, the reservation, designation, allotment, indication, or restriction on development of the land shall be deemed to have been lapsed. Stop. Hope you like the dictation. If you like the dictation, please like, subscribe, share with other, press the bell icon for more updates. Aspirants who want to join our shorthand hangover paid group, they can try a link in description box. Thank you.